Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the app settings for your Eureka E20 Plus robot vacuum cleaner and mop. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. First up, this is what the mobile app for the E20 Plus looks like once you have everything set up. We can quickly start a clean or send it home to recharge. Its current status is sleeping. We have our battery indicator there on the right-hand side of the screen. And at the center, we have the enter option. That's going to take us into all the device settings here. So we can see our populated map, where it was cleaning, its current status. Down at the bottom, we have room cleaning options. So pick and choose the rooms and how many times you want it to clean. We have full cleaning options or zone cleaning. So you could add multiple areas. How many times you want it to clean. You get the idea there. Then we have our cleaning preferences in the bottom left-hand corner. We can adjust the suction power, water level adjustments, mop mode and carpet mode. You can toggle those on or off. Then on the right-hand side, we have our return to home and charge. Front and center, we have our play button to activate the clean. Then you might notice slightly above our map on the right-hand side below the battery icon, we have our map edit options where we can back up, restore, rename, or delete our map. We can also edit the rooms by dividing, merging, and renaming. We can also set up no-go zones, virtual walls and barriers, no mop zones. All of that can be accomplished right here in the app. Drag and drop as you see fit. Then in the top right-hand corner, we have additional settings here. We can put this vacuum on a schedule, choose your time, which days of the week you want it to repeat, your cleaning preferences, whether to select certain rooms, and hit save. We also have right below that our cleaning history, so you can see a breakdown of the previous clean. Moving further down, map management. This is where we can support multi-floor mapping. You can save up to 3 maps at a time. You can manage all of that right there. Then we have some voice settings. We have some robot settings. Do not disturb. You can adjust the area units, time zone, factory reset. Then we have our automatic dust collection settings. So you can adjust that once every time, 3, 5, whatever it may be. You can choose the frequency there after cleaning cycles or never. And then we have dust collection mode, quick, standard, or deep. So it's going to find that balance between collection time, how long it's running, and the noise level. So pick and choose how you want to adjust that. Then we have our accessory lifetime. This basically gives us a breakdown of the wear and tear on common parts and components that we need to replace and maintain. Manual controls, we can drive the robot with our phone. Really cool. Find my robot. If it's lost, we can locate it. We can view device information, firmware updates, instruction guide, FAQ, feedback, and your plugin version information down at the bottom. So a lot of customization options for the E20 right here within the Eureka app.